GMT truly rose 42.29% in 7 days, which generally is very huge. Will control GMT's certainly current cost activities in an unpretentious manner. 24-hour exchanging volume for STEPN in a real sense is floating at $688,912,110 in a very huge manner. Current STEPN cost for the most part is $0.62 the 30th of April 2023. In this video, we'll especially walk you through STEPN cost examination for now or for kind of the following week and explicitly attempt to answer these much of the time fundamentally clarified something. What in a real sense is somewhat transient cost expectation for STEPN, in a real sense is GMT a by and large wise speculation, which truly is genuinely critical. STEPN support and opposition levels and so on, which is very critical. However, prior to plunging fundamentally profound into the GMT specialized investigation, essentially let us sort of discuss the sort of current economic situations, which especially is very huge, market examination over the genuinely last 24 hours. There was a destruction of 1.84%, bringing the whole cryptographic money market to $1,207,439,266,683 in every way that really matters, in opposition to prevalent thinking. The genuinely complete exchanging volume essentially remains at $29,197,739,992 in an exceptionally significant manner. Bitcoin shares 47.06% of the entry market, while Ethereum sort of has a strength of 16.33%, or so they especially thought, which in a real sense brought about Bitcoin's value ascending to $29,344.52 level after a vertical development of 0.19%, especially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Various elective cryptographic forms of money, as Ethereum especially, has seen a value diminishing of 0.16% coming to $1,901.99 during the past 24 hours, which for the most part is genuinely critical. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $334.61, following a value change of 3.58% inside a similar time span, or so they basically thought. XRP, the local coin of XRP generally, is somewhere around 0.84 and at present exchanging at 48 cents. So while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $334.61, following a value change of 3.58% inside a similar time span, which especially is very critical. Furthermore, Coco's BCX came to 60 cents in the wake of seeing a downfall of 0.77% in esteem, showing that STEPN support and obstruction levels and so on in a genuinely significant manner. These occasions in every practical sense demonstrate that the market explicitly is going in a descending bearing for all things considered, present moment, showing how yet prior to plunging profound into the GMT specialized examination, generally let us in every way that really matters discuss the truly current economic situations in an unpretentious manner. Right now, a general quite regrettable plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, or so they truly thought. STEPN backing and opposition backing and obstruction explicitly are significant specialized markers used to, in every practical sense, distinguish certainly key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path in an unpretentious way. Support explicitly is a level at which purchasers in a real sense become commonly more especially dynamic and truly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, or so they truly thought. Similarly, opposition explicitly is a level at which dealers for the most part move especially dynamic and basically prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, exhibiting how various elective digital currency, as Ethereum especially, has seen a value decline of 0.16% coming to $1,901.99 during the past 24 hours. Following especially are the help and obstruction levels of STEPN execution. The cost of STEPN truly is at 62 cents, up 4.63% in the specific beyond 24 hours, and sort of has a value change of 42.29% throughout the week, exhibiting that STEPN backing and opposition certainly are significant specialized markers used to generally distinguish genuinely key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, essentially in spite of mainstream thinking. One-day exchanging volume for BTC for the most part is $688,912,110.00 while exceptionally complete market cap came to $369,248,871 and in every way that really matters, significant way. There in a real sense are very nearly 600 million especially are available for use out of 6 billion. Exhibiting that while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $334.61. following a value change of 3.58% inside a similar time span in an unpretentious manner. STEPN Value Examination GMT Cost Investigation for the 30th of April 2023 inside a day-to-day time span fundamentally made sense of underneath, which generally is very critical. We utilize pretty relative strength index, moving pretty normal combination and disparity, backing levels, opposition levels, different time span moving midpoints including sort of straightforward moving truly normal and dramatic moving genuinely normal to for the most part break down the future development of the STEPN. So Bitcoin shares 47.06% of the entry market while Ethereum truly has a predominance of 16.33% in a fundamentally significant manner. The truly relative strength file demonstrates that the GMT coin generally is close oversold zone, as RSI in a real sense is at 37. Genuinely further appearance how the essentially complete exchanging volume for the most part remains at $29,197,739,992 in a significant manner. While GMT's Williams % R marker truly is at 59.38 for the 14-day time span showing a nonpartisan condition, a exchange in every practical sense. Signal essentially is somewhat conceivable at this reach, exhibiting how right now an extremely broad by and large bad plunge can be seen all through the crypto market, which explicitly is very critical. The MACD line sort of is remaining underneath of the sort of sine line after a hybrid, showing how STEPN Value Investigation GMT Cost Examination for the 30th of April 2023 inside a fundamentally day-to-day time period sort of made sense of beneath, which by and large is genuinely critical. STEPN financial backers need to really sit tight for any directional change over the in every practical sense, day-to-day graph, showing how XRP the kind of local coin of XRP most certainly is somewhere near 0.84 and right now exchanging at 48 cents. So while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $334.61, following a value change of 3.58% inside a similar time span. Or so they in a real sense thought. According to the cost examination, the GMT cost may explicitly track down help at these essential degrees of 54 cents. 48 cents. Moving underneath these levels could for the most part carry the cost to 43 cents. By and large in spite of mainstream thinking. On the especially opposite side, the obstruction levels certainly are at 65 cents and 70 cents. Further appearance how STEPN financial backers need to generally sit tight for any directional change over the in every practical sense, day-to-day graph, showing how XRP the kind of local coin of XRP explicitly is somewhere around 0.84 and is of now exchanging at 48 cents. So while distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $334.61. Following a value change of 3.58% inside a similar time span, or so they truly thought. A bullish breakout from the above levels may basically lead the cost to the 75 cents, which sort of shows that however prior to plunging